I gave you my sunrise. You left me in the night. And I keep asking myself why.
I built you a home in the center of my chest. Every heartbeat spelled out your name in my breath. I caught every tear before it could fall. Held you like I was the answer to it all.
But love don't always speak the truth you wanna hear. Sometimes it's a whisper that fades into fear. And I'm standing here, broken and rough, facing the truth that I
wasn't enough to keep your world from falling. I wasn't the fire you needed when you were calling. I gave you my all, but my all wasn't love.
guess sometimes it happens. I wasn't enough. I tried to hold on.